So tonight we are in Walmart and it's actually somewhat quiet. Back here they do have some blow-ups and it can be a little noisy. So I thought we would just go through all of their $1.98 ornaments. They have a lot to choose from this year. Let's go shopping. So first off, we'll start with all of the pink ornaments. They have a gingerbread house I remember from last year. The unicorn. This one is definitely new this year. It's a really cute little poodle. They also have the ballerina slippers. I think these were out last year. And the pink and gold crown. Down here they've got a little pink snowman. The balloon animal, a very sparkly pink high heel, a pink Christmas tree. We've got a super glittery pink, to me this looks like a limo, it's probably more of an SUV. The little dog and the piggy ballerina. Down here they've got some seahorses, some angel wings. These are a lot like the ones at the Dollar Tree. They also have the snowman back. I think this one's new. It's the pink reindeer with the gold antlers. The pink lollipop. This one's got a little bow on it. And the little pink piggy. Now over to the blue section. They've got some more cars. The crown in silver and blue. Down here, more cars. This one looks like a VW to me. And then they've got this one in the bus. Now for all the teal ornaments, they also have the unicorn in the teal. They've got a little snowman. This one is beautiful. Looks a lot like a peacock theme. Down here, they've got the elephant with the trunk up. This one in glass that is gorgeous. Definitely looks like it could be part of an ocean themed tree. They've got the snowflake covered in glitter. And the little snowman with the hat and scarf on. Also got the whale. They also have the beautiful seashell, the hummingbird, the starfish, and this glittery one. Down here they've got a few more in that style. This one's got lots of little gems on it. And this ornament that looks hand blown in glass. They also have the mermaid holding a pearl and a really cute little sea turtle with some presents and a little Santa hat. They also have some that kind of look holographic over here where it kind of fades to purple. They've got the butterfly and the Christmas tree. These are new this year. They brought back the peacock and the purple mermaid. More purple and green in the peacock and the purple ornament. Down here they've got one in glass and blue. And then down here they have some purple stars. In the gold they've got this one in the present and this one in the church. They've also got the gold angels and the little owl. Down here a beautiful gold bodice that's definitely new this year. A crown and the golden ballerina. Down here they've got the angel wings, very similar to the ones at Dollar Tree. This is like a little Christmas globe, but just half. And the reindeer. And now in the silver they have the sleigh, this Noel ornament, the clear little lovebirds. That's very vintage looking. A somewhat ice princess or butterfly princess looking high heel. We've got this one with the reindeer, some bottle brush trees in the back, and a little white house with some bottle brush trees. Down here another sleigh. This one is gorgeous with the bottle brush tree and cream. A really pretty nativity scene. A little bit more sparkle. They also have a few clear ornaments. This one up here with some sparkle, and then this one's got a little church in it. They also have an icy looking reindeer, and then it kind of goes into white with the little snowman at the door, another sleigh, a furry wreath, and then just another decorated ball. Down here, I really like this one. I love ornaments that are this shape. This one's glass, and then they have a little white mitten. Over here they've got a little reindeer in half of a pine cone, and a Christmas tree in a bucket. They have some sparkly ice skates, and a little snowman with a burlap hat on. Up here they've got the elephant and the snow owl. He's really pretty. They also have this little birdie, very icy with a winter hat. This one in lace, and then the rocking chair with some gifts. Some more glass ornaments, and then a llama with some gifts on his back, or maybe an alpaca, I'm not sure. They also have the wings in white, more feather detail, and a feathery snowman, and then the little window in hope. They also have another owl, and down here a little dressed up mouse, and now it gets into all of the black ornaments, starting with the elephant. I think that was out last year. The little snowman's hat with a whole family on the inside. Down here, a glass ornament, some feathers, and a buffalo check horse. Down here they've got the high heel in black, and then the little black snow boots. Now we're going into a little more silver. I've got Merry Christmas on this one with some snow in it, and then a silver snowflake. They have the little galvanized snowman lanterns. Down here, I think this is a penguin. I also have the gnome, a little mouse, and then a snowman with a glass body. Up here they've got a really cute little white pickup truck with a bottle brush tree. They've got the metal Christmas trees, the silver deer, and more snow boots. Coming down here, they've got an owl and another little bear with a Santa's hat on. They've got this one in felt, and then the little gray dog. Coming down here, they've got a little snowman popping out of a plaid gift. Up here, they've got some in Merry and Bright in the galvanized, and then these in the little buckets. We've got another little house, really like that one, and then an olive bucket style joy. Down here they've got another little felt owl and a super cute plaid pig with a button nose. They've got the burlap reindeer, and then the little shadow elk tree. This one's just a little wreath with some antlers. Then the cork reindeer. Down here they've got more owls. This one in fur. They also have the burlap sled, the star, pine cone, some antlers. They have the pine cones in the glass ornament, the tin angels, some burlap snow boots, a little snowman family. Down here they have the wreaths in Believe, the little snowman sleds. Those look like the ones from Dollar Tree. They've also got a little rustic tree, and up here the Merry Christmas photo holder. They've got the pine cone in the stars, and then this one with some antlers and buffalo check, the little wreath snowman, and then they've got the grapevine style present and ornament. They have a really cute little toolbox with some bottle brush trees, the owl in plaid, a little squirrel on a swing, They have the little Merry Christmas on an arrow. Another little birdie. This one with the stars. Some iridescent glitter on that one. Down here they've got another puppy dog. The little shovel. That one's really cute. The lantern. That one's actually really nice too. I don't see that it lights up. They have another sled. The buffalo check gifts. And then the little wooden train. They have the little lanterns in red and in gray. And the cutest little cow. I think these all need to go over to Chick-fil-A. They've also got a gnome skiing. They've also got the little squirrel and a teddy bear. And this one in glass that I think is so pretty with the plaid on the bottom. Down here they've got one in the corrugated metal. And then in the little reindeer cowbell. They've also got a red owl and a really cute little plaid dog with a little hat and scarf on. They've also got the stacked Christmas tree and this one in plaid. It's supposed to look, I think, like a pine cone. Definitely does on the top. And they've got this one in joy with a Santa hat. And I do really like these, the Believe in the Magic of Christmas trees. They've got the buffalo check dog and a Boston in a sweater, some little earmuffs. They have the red and white check reindeer, some more glass ornaments, and I think this gift one is actually plastic. Down here they've got one in buffalo check. And then a really cute Santa face. You guys know I'm not a fan of the one at Dollar Tree. They have a bottle brush tree in a Santa sack. And the heart in love in red. Some more glass with some gold glitter. Down here they've got the bells, some nutcrackers, some red glitter pine cones, and a really cute little bicycle. They've got more vehicles in red, the red truck, and up here in, I'm thinking it's a Jeep. You've got the little Santa's boot. That's really cute. This little snowman, I remember him from last year. And then the very tiny peppermint tree. And down here, the little gingerbread characters in a cookie cutter. So I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart tonight to look at all of their ornaments. I have a few in my cart to share in a haul coming up soon. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.